Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Grip on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the first line we have the name line, so tap on it. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text. Let's say I want to remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click Done button at the right bottom. But if you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button or Done button. So tap at this button and we just save the name. So if I go back, you can see that we changed it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.